Yeah. It's just throwing the timing off. I think we buy for next.
I think we're buying for
You have all as well. I mean, if you start going crazy.
Yeah.
The hunt begins.
Mid. Right in mid. I'm gonna stun this. Okay. They backed off, Stunning mid. Okay.
One tiles near A.
No peeking.
Yeah, Reyna left mid, she's A.
It's a hit.
I'm holding with chamber. She's tile.
Enemy spotted mid.
One over here. Just chill, I have stun and 8. They're both there.
I'm mid.
We going with Phoenix, do you have fine?
Yeah.
We're gonna go with
let
Phoenix.
Phoenix go.
3, 2, 1, go.
One enemy remaining.
Nice, very good.
Nice.
Let me let Phoenix go, shut up!
I hate waiting.
It's like we see you coming, we're trying to help you. You're not, no.
I need a drop.
I think they shot the ball.
Duck, duck.
It actually
That's
just
fine,
ended
though.
up killing you.
No,
I
but
deserve-
but they have to shoot that instead of shooting me. But you swung with me as well.
I got a nasty little 2K with the sheriff there.
Oh, you killed both of them?
Or I actually got a 3K, but I
Dang.
killed one like off of spawn.
Dang, dang, dang.
Where's just the goat?
I'm good. They didn't see me. Oh, thank you.
I think I may.
Oh, you're cooking. You're cooking.
Spike down B.
Hold out.
40.
One enemy
Good smoke,
remaining.
good smoke. 40. Ow.
Ow, help!
We're on the
Chill,
way.
chill, just chill.
On my way.
That's a me kind of spray. I'm not even gonna lie. Holy.
You will, Paul.
What the hell?
I can't believe not a single one of them checked that.
Sorry.
I'm,
Nice.
I'm
Club, it's
down
okay,
like
it's okay,
this
it's
bitch.
okay.
Maybe the third person.
These guns
I
are
can understand.
okay.
You okay?
I also bring my own. No offense.
Didn't get to see it. You were alive. You were alive.
149. Oh my
Gosh.
That hurts.
Oh my gosh. I knew when I crossed, Cyber didn't cam it, I was gonna go crazy. I almost ripped my ult too. I was like,
Ult's me.
yeah, I was like, I don't know.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Maybe not the round.
I want to rip it if they go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Two more. Three.
Hi, Brennan.
I know exactly where you are.
One enemy remaining. One enemy remaining.
What is that
Spike
down?
down A.
No way I get that kill.
Goddamn fire
No way I get that kill.
Good job. Oh my gosh.
Your hearts are pounding.
Oops, I did it again. Oh, I hit a teammate. Oopsie.
Hey, that'll fucking happen.
That's really good. I actually think Clove walked into it. I saw her CT. Oh gosh. Okay, same thing. If they're here, I think you
Do the first time.
like play. Okay. Let me know if you hear anything.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh!